और ये नया वाला ब्लॉग अपलोड हो गया। शांति 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 बात कर रहा हूँ, इसके सामने कोई नहीं रह सकता। So anyways, जब भी अपने ही घर वाले अपना वीडियो देख के लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करते हैं ना, तो एक बात ही अलग होती है, मज़ा आ जाता है। Anyways, we are off to somewhere now. मामा हाय बोल। अरे कौन है बोले तो मेरी बदले की बच्ची। That's my uncle, my mother's brother. So we are planning to go to Vasai now. और सीन क्या हुआ है मामा वालों में देखो, कल तो गाड़ी बंद हो गई थी, पेट्रोल है, गाड़ी बंद हो गई है, बट क्यों हुई है पता नहीं। So I'm gonna try and restart now. चालू हुई तो अपन जाते हैं पेट्रोल भरने के लिए। और सिंस उधर जा रहे हैं और थोड़ा लॉकडाउन में चिल है, तो वी कैन चेक डीमार्ट एक बार, और अगर टोकन मिलता है तो बाद में जाना पड़ेगा ना। और फिर लामा रामिर ने देखा था ना, तो उसने बोला था एक बार हवा मार के चेक करे, तो गाड़ी को हिला के चेक करे, होना चाहिए। वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। मैंने बोला सिंस मोमेंटम चल रहा है तो एक दूसरा ब्लॉग भी शुरू कर देते हैं। एंड ये इशू आ गया है, अब ये सॉल्व करने के बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है। Hello, what's up Kasakkai? This is Kevin Bull from Mumbai once again welcoming you to my channel। स्वागत करता हूँ आपका। आज तो हिंदी में भी बात करूँगा बिकॉज सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ रहे हैं तुम्हारा भाई को। आज तो खुश बहुत है तुम्हारा भाई बिकॉज एनर्जी ही इतनी आ रही है ना बॉस की, मजा आ गया। आज के व्लॉग में तुम्हारे भाई ने सेंचुरी मार दी। वी आर अ फैमिली ऑफ 300+ सब्सक्राइबर्स dude। I'm so excited, I'm so glad। They say it's like the small things in life that make it a big impact। But boss, आज जहाँ पे पहुँचा हो ना, this was a long journey, like a journey of 100 videos as we speak, 100 videos non-stop, not stopping anytime soon। Thank you so much all my viewers for subscribing, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe first। आज मजा नहीं आएगा तो कल मजा आएगा, कल नहीं मजा आएगा तो परसों मजा आएगा, कभी ना कभी तो मजा आएगा ही। इसकी मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, बाकी सब आप पे। Okay, so let me get started with this whole thing। As the title says, as the thumbnail says, I'm gonna share with you a few facts about how to be a successful YouTuber over time। In the last few days, I had been doing research on a few YouTube characters and achievers and inspirations. Not these ones, I mean these ones। I was just trying to understand how is that and what is that these people are doing different than what I am doing. What is that you can do different if you are a YouTuber or if you aspire to be one, in order to cut through things that I suffered। Just think of this in practical। If you are an avid YouTube viewer, why do you click on a video, a YouTube video? There are 3 things to it। First one is the personality, second one is the thumbnail, third one is the title। So basically you're either interested in the person who's there in the video or the title which is connected to the video। If you understand how the YouTube algorithm works, it basically shares videos that get a lot more response, and what decides how successful a video turns into is basically this: like, share and subscribe। This is what decides how well your video does। I can get a like on a boiling water video also, I can get a like on a JCB video also, I can get a like on... When you speak of share, you end up sharing videos only when you think something is gonna helpful, something is gonna be cringeful, or something is gonna be entertaining. But what is the biggest game is the subscribe button। Why is that? When you get a lot of views, not every person that you come across subscribes to your channel। It's easy to have a good title, it's easy to make a sexy thumbnail, but what matters is people only subscribe to you when they like your content। Now, I don't know which scope you're coming from or what's your audience or what is that you're interested in, but I'm gonna be getting deep into this and into the crust of this, because all of this is ABCD of YouTube. Let's get a little deeper. When I started YouTube because I wanted to be an actor. I am not an actor yet. I am still trying to get my debut here and there, but why am I still with the camera on? To get comfortable to it, to understand how filmmaking works, to understand how editing works, to understand how plot making works, to understand how beautifully is that I can bring all of my creativity together and meet the right opportunity at the right time. So first of all, consider why is that you would want to be a vlogger or a YouTuber. If you're doing it for money, bro, touch wood, go get into a business, don't do vlogs, because the income that you receive here is not at any point of time equalize the kind of and the amount of hard work or monetary work that you're gonna be putting in. What we are working for, what I'm working for, what every famous vlogger is working for is appreciation, is love, is recognition. So money, you're in the wrong game, bro. I'm not discouraging you that you cannot grow it as a secondary source of income, but for that you need patience, a lot of patience, a patience worth of 100 videos. If you want to grow in the business of YouTube, you have to be one of the two segments. If you look at any of the renowned personalities who are famous and have made it big on YouTube, they were not all purely famous because of YouTube. They are credible personalities outside YouTube who use their credibility and the productivity at YouTube for themselves instead of working for others, and that's how they've grown over years. You can approach YouTube in two segments. You can either be a base creator in sense you can take a topic or an aspect that is the most interesting you and you think will be also interesting to other people, and you talk on that, like what Technical Guruji does. He only talks about electronics. What BBK Wines does, he only makes wines. What does Mostly Sain does, what does Ashish Chanchlani does, what does all of these people do? Yeah, that's one way you can approach it, where you take one topic which will be the most interesting, where you will have a selected audience and they will loop into you. Where at the other end you can become a vlogger like what I am. You can grow, like when I started vlogging, I wasn't a vlogger, I was a struggler, to be very frank. That's why today what you see, 300 subscribers in 2 years, is a big thing for me, because I started from nowhere. I did not have 300 people who would trust in me and would subscribe to my channel. I've built that over time, over 100 videos, and that's how I've earned it. Either of the ways, if you take a specific base video and you create an audience based content where you know that is going to be consumed by a certain type of audience, your ratio of success is going to be quicker, because people like to learn more, people like to be entertained more. Whereas if you stand alone like a vlogger, a daily vlogger, it's gonna be difficult, because not everyone is interested in your life, not everyone wants to know what's up to date with you, but that's completely upon you. Now, irrespective of where you come from, I basically went through a few of these creators whom I was admiring, whom I was inspired by, and understood how is that the growth factor has come where they have come. Like if you look at Casey Neistat, he has done 1000+ videos and he's got 12.6 million subscribers. At the same time, Mumbai Ka Nikhil, he's also made 1000+ videos, but at the same time his subscriber base is 3.6 something. Eventually, what is the one single thing that is common between all of these guys is consistency. Understand this. When Ranbir Kapoor came out in the market with Saawariya, I did not like him at the first place, but then my TV was showing me Saawariya, my friends were talking about Saawariya, Sonam Kapoor was talking about Saawariya, my crush was talking about Saawariya. Everyone, every media outlet was talking about Saawariya. Then eventually I thought, let me go and try and watch this movie. That is how it is. It's gonna be with you, no matter what segment you are into. If you keep creating videos, if you keep creating quality videos, definitely you're gonna be successful. Imagine if you're walking on the street and you saw 10 Kevins at one time, would you be able to ignore it? No, you will definitely click on one of the Kevin. You'll ask him, where are you up to? What are you up to, dude? And that's what your job is. Like if you are on YouTube, you gotta make sure, if you are serious about YouTube with whatever motive you have to make sure that you're consistent. If you're not, then So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do press the notification bell icon so every time I upload a video you come to know about it. सब्सक्राइब तो किए बिगड़ जाना ही मत अगर पहली बार आए हो, और मजा आया तो लाइक करो. If you learned something, like if you want to learn more, tell me in the comment section below, and definitely keep the engagement on, man. I got a 360 million, right? So that is all. God bless. Full stick. I gotta let my family sleep now.